Example here of providing supplemental water for your wildlife exemption. This one is a large, I think it's an 8-foot long tank from Tractor Supply. We've got a ramp coming up one side, lets the water be accessible from raccoons and other small animals. The deer can walk right up to it and get water. The water is fed into there continuously through this valve. These are sold at Amazon and at Tractor Supply, about 20 bucks. I'll put a link in the description for where you can find that water supply. And then it's just PVC pipe that comes in, and we have a well not too far from here underground that the pipe goes underground, gets to that well. We use this well for irrigation in this part of the property. And this tank works well. Haven't had any troubles with it. Deer like it, and it's one of the 7 activities you need to do to keep your wildlife exemption current, as providing water. And easy to do. If you've got a water source readily available, like a well that you can get some pipe running to, you can set one of these up pretty easy. Hope that helps. Have a great day.